Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Today, our topic name is How much fruit from page number 41. In last class, we already completed up to question number 1. So, now look at the question number 2. Farmer Joe collected all the fruit ready to be sold in the shop. Look at the scales. This is the scales. That means weighting machine. How much does each lot of fruit weigh in kilos and gram? That means we have tried an answer in terms of kilogram and gram. So first of all, we know that 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. So that means kilogram to gram multiplied by 1000 and gram to kilogram divided by 1000. You should understand first of all. So now first of all, look at the bag A. What is this one here? Digital, right or no? The directly is given 2500 grams. So we need to write the answer in terms of kilogram and gram. So gram to kilogram is what? Divided by 1000. So I divide. So we recognize in this manner. So this 1's place 0 and 0 gets cancelled. 10's place 0 and 0 gets cancelled. Now here down there is a 0 remaining. 1 0 remaining. So whenever 0 remaining, write it 25. From the right side after one number use the decimal. So 2.5 kilogram. Coming to bag B. What is bag B now? It is, check it properly, this is 1030. That means this is 1031 and this is 1032. So 1032 is what? Grams. So from gram to kilogram again divided by 1000. But when I divide, is it possible to cancel 1's place 0 and 0? So don't cancel in the middle. Okay, you can start cancel from the 1's place. Maybe you thought that is 100 place and 100 place both are 0, I can cancel. No, you cannot cancel. Okay, so remember, so whenever you want to cancel, you can start from the 1's place. So if not possible to cancel, write it as it is number. Here are the three numbers, three zeros. From the up, also numerator 1, 2, 3. After three number, put the point. So check it, 1.032. Whenever not cancel, down there are three zeros remaining. From the right side, every time from the right side, not from the left side. Right side, 1, 2, 3. After three numbers, put the point. Now coming to the next one is bag C. What is bag C now? It is 2.50 kilogram. 2.50 kilogram or 2.5 kilogram. Both are same. Okay, so 2.5 kilogram. Now kilogram to gram is what? It is multiplied by 1000. So write it as it is. First of all, write it the same number. That means it is 250. Just remove the 0 and write. Remove the decimal and write it. So 250. So after the decimal, two numbers. So cancel here 2 zeros. So how many zeros left? Only 1 0. So add 1 0 like this way. It is easy to understand like this way. Okay. Otherwise, check it after the decimal. We need three numbers because here three zeros, but only two numbers are there. So add one more zero. Don't look at the before the decimal. So now look at this one. Here this is 2 kilogram. Okay, this is what? 2 kilogram. So here one red line. It's 0.2 because say 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8 and 3 kilogram. Okay, that means it is 2.2 kilogram. Again 2.2 kilogram. When I want to change into grams, multiply by 1000. So here three zeros. That means after the decimal what? Only one number is there. So you have to add two more zeros. Clear? That means 2200 grams. Now coming to question number C. Round the weight of each bag to the nearest kilogram. To the nearest kilogram. This is what? 1.750. This is round off. I hope everyone know that round off. So check it here. Only kilogram. So this is the kilogram. Before the decimal, whatever we have, that is kilogram. After the decimal, whatever we have, that is grams. So just check it. This is the kilogram. This is the one. Just look at the before number. Before number is what? 7. 7 is more than 5. We learn in the first term. Rounding off. Remember, 0. Start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number remains same. If it is 5 or more than 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The number changes to the next number. So 1 changes to 2 kilogram. Okay. Now if you check it, this is 90. Before 90 is what? 89. So first of all, 89 gram changed to grams. So it is divided by 1000. So when I divide by 1000, I write it 89. But here, if you look at here down, there are three zeros. So whenever three zeros means from the right side, after three numbers, I have to use the point. So here two numbers only. So I can add, here is the 0. I cannot add here. So it is 0.089. So check it, here is the 0. So before number also 0. So 89, it is too far from the 1000, right or no? So check it, I explain the number line. So this is 0 and this is 1000 grams. And the middle one is 500 grams. So 589 will be somewhere here. So it is nearest to 0, nearest to 1000. 1000 means 1 kilogram. So it is nearest to 0. So 0 kilogram only. I explain more examples about the rounding off. Okay. So this is 1. Before number is 2. So 2 is less than 5. So 1 kilogram. Write it as it is 1 kilogram. Here is the 2 after the decimal. So just look at the before number 7. No need to look at all the numbers. 7. 7 is bigger than 5. So this 2 changes to 3. Next number. And here is the 4. Before number is 5. 5 or more than 5. You should change the number. So this 4 will change to 5 kilogram. And here is the 6. Before number is 3. So 3 is less than 5. If it is less than 5, don't change. Okay. So it is what? 6 kilogram. This is 9.1. So 1 is less than 5. So 9 becomes 9 only. 9 kilogram. And this is 0.0. So 0.0 means what? Again, before number is 0 means less than 5. So 0 becomes 0 kilogram only. And look at here. This is 0.8. So 8 means what? It is more than 5. More than 5, then 0 will change to the next number, that is 1 kilogram. Okay. So remaining questions H, I, J. You have to do it as your homework. I hope you understand today's classwork. If you have any more questions, you can ask me the next class. Thank you.